What's going on, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. We're down here in Alice Beach taking pictures of our gorgeous 1968 Ford Bronco. It's just been completely redone. Top to bottom, it's got a crate 302 with a C4 automatic transmission. It's got vintage air. Got about a 2 to 3 inch lift on it with good radio Wranglers, white letter tires. Got tons of tread left on them. Also got power steering. Got power disc brakes up front, as well as a Bluetooth stereo, all in excellent condition, excellent working order. Also got the amp research power steps on it. Beautiful paintwork front to back. Got a nice exhaust note as well. You can see our power steps there, amp research. Got beautiful stitching on the seats. Got brand new carpet in it, 4x4 works, tilt column, brand new gauge. So there's our air conditioning controls, Bluetooth unit. Underneath the back seat here is a subwoofer. Got 6x9s right here. Just all in excellent condition. Beautiful wood grain steering wheel. Door jambs look super nice. Got billet hinges, brand new door panels. Just all super nice shape. Carpet all the way back, carpet on the tailgate, all in good shape. Let's give it a little fire up here. You can see how she sounds. It's a warm start. Just took a trip down 30A here. Just turn on the air conditioning and the stereo hooked up. So cut off our video real quick, but anyway, we're back here. This is an auxiliary stereo. See, our air conditioning's blowing nice and cold. Got an auxiliary power station here as well. Just beautiful Bronco. Anyway, y'all, we do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available. Please let me know how I can earn your business.